Zinc is a mineral that's essential for good health. It's required for the functions of over 300 enzymes and involved in many important processes in your body. It metabolizes nutrients, maintains your immune system, and grows and repairs body tissues. Your body doesn't store zinc, so you need to eat enough every day to ensure you're meeting your daily requirements. Here are 7 of the best foods that are high zinc. Number 1. Shellfish. Shellfish are healthy, low-calorie sources of zinc. Oysters contain particularly high amounts, with 6 medium oysters providing 32 milligrams. Other types of shellfish contains less zinc than oysters, but are still good sources. In fact, Alaskan crab contains 7.6 milligrams per 100 grams. Smaller shellfish like shrimp and mussels are also good sources of zinc. Number 2. Legumes. Legumes like chickpeas, lentils, and beans all contain substantial amounts of zinc. In fact, 100 grams of cooked lentils contain around 12% of the daily value. However, they also contain phytates. These anti-nutrients inhibit the absorption of zinc and other minerals, meaning zinc from legumes isn't as well absorbed as the zinc from animal products. Number 3. Seeds. Seeds are a healthy addition to your diet and can help increase your zinc intake. However, some seeds are better choices than others. For example, 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds contain 31% and 43% of the recommended daily intake for men and women respectively. Other seeds containing significant amounts of zinc include squash, pumpkin, and sesame seeds. Number 4. Nuts. Eating nuts such as pine nuts, peanuts, cashews, and almonds can boost your intake of zinc. Nuts also contain other healthy nutrients, including healthy fats and fiber, as well as a number of other vitamins and minerals. If you're looking for a nut high in zinc, cashews are a good choice. A 1-ounce serving contains 15% of daily value. Number 5. Dairy. Dairy foods like cheese and milk provide a host of nutrients, including zinc. Milk and cheese are 2 notable sources as they contain high amounts of bioavailable zinc, meaning most of the zinc in these foods can be absorbed by your body. For example, 100 grams of cheddar cheese contains about 28% of the DV, while a single cup of full-fat milk contains around 9%. These foods also come with a number of other nutrients considered important for bone health, including protein, calcium, and vitamin D. Number 6. Dark chocolate. Perhaps surprisingly, dark chocolate contains reasonable amounts of zinc. In fact, a 100-gram bar of 70 to 85% dark chocolate contains 3.3 milligrams of zinc, or 30% of the daily value. However, 100 grams of dark chocolate also contains 600 calories. So, while it provides some healthy nutrients, it is a high-calorie food. Number 7. Meat. Meat is an excellent source of zinc. Red meat is a particularly great source, but ample amounts can be found in all different kinds of meat, including beef, lamb, and pork. In fact, a 100-gram serving of raw ground beef contains 4.8 milligrams of zinc, which is 44% of the daily value.